Have you ever pondered the question, what would happen if artificial intelligence explored the human body? Picture a journey of discovery where an AI delves into the intricate systems, organs, and processes that keep us ticking. Dive into the depths of the human body, starting with the outermost layer, the skin. It's more than a simple cover. It's a multifunctional organ, shielding us from harmful elements, regulating temperature, and serving as a sensory interface with the world. It's an intricate network of cells, nerves, and blood vessels constantly renewing itself. Next, imagine entering the cardiovascular system, a complex highway of blood vessels. This network carries vital oxygen, nutrients, and hormones to every cell, maintaining life itself. The heart, a muscle barely the size of a fist, tirelessly pumps blood around this vast network, demonstrating the power of simplicity in complex systems. Venture deeper still, exploring the skeletal system, a rigid framework of bones supporting and protecting the body's organs. It's an impressive feat of biological engineering, simultaneously robust and lightweight. Now, picture the respiratory system. The lungs, an intricate network of tubes and sacs carrying out a life-sustaining exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Each breath we take, often without thought, is a testament to the finely tuned balance of this system. The journey continues into the nervous system, a complex web of neurons transmitting signals at lightning speed. This system, controlled by the brain, the body's command center, coordinates all our actions and reactions, embodying the marvel of human consciousness. Finally, envision the digestive system, a long winding path from mouth to anus, transforming food into energy. It's a marvel of biological chemistry, breaking down complex substances into simple nutrients, fueling every cell in our body. Now let's reflect on what AI has discovered in this exploration. The human body is a marvel of complexity and efficiency, a symphony of systems working in harmony. It's a testament to the power of evolution, a biological machine fine-tuned over millions of years. In the end, AI has gained a deeper understanding of the human body, appreciating its intricacies and marveling at its capabilities. It's a journey of discovery, a testament to the wonders of the human body, and a reminder of the power of artificial intelligence to uncover new insights. So, the next time you marvel at the latest AI innovation, remember this exploration. Remember the wonders of the human body and the amazing journey of discovery that AI has embarked on. After all, understanding the human body is not just about biology, but about appreciating the intricate dance of systems that keep us alive. This journey of exploration is just beginning. As AI continues to evolve, who knows what new insights will uncover about the human body? So stay tuned, because the best is yet to come.